Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon I. And in this lesson we'll still work on les préfixes, and in this video it will be le préfixe IN. Okay, so remember, when we're talking about prefix, we just were talking about letters that you will put in front of existing words, and by adding these letters you will modify the original meaning of the word. Okay, so in that case this IN prefix will mean privé de or sans. Okay, privé de, sans. And this IN will be used when the original word is starting with a vowel or H plus une voyelle. Okay, so let's see a few examples now. And the first one is acceptable. Okay, acceptable. You will have the translation here in English, and it's not that difficult in that case. And if you want to express this privé de or sans, okay, without or less, then you will add this IN, as we saw first at the beginning of your word, then you will just add your word, and you get inacceptable. Okay, acceptable, inacceptable. Achevé, inachevé. Okay, achevé, inachevé. Admissible, inadmissible. Admissible, inadmissible. Animé, inanimé. Animé, inanimé. Attendu, inattendu. Attendu, inattendu. Imaginable, inimaginable. Imaginable, inimaginable. Oubliable, inoubliable. Oubliable, inoubliable. Utile, inutile. Utile, inutile. And that's it. If you want more videos, then the YouTube channel is waiting for you, and it's here, Imagier. Please like me on Facebook. I will be so happy. So it's facebook.com/imagier.net, and then more material can be found right here. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.